In the figure above, D and E are the midpoints of AB and BC respectively. If the area of the shaded region is 42, what is the area of triangle ABC? Okay, here D is a line segment joining the midpoints of the two sides of the triangle AB and BC. Whenever there is a line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of the triangle, it has to be parallel to the third side, and also its length is half of the length of the third side by the mid-segment theorem. So the mid-segment theorem says the line joining the midpoints of two sides of the triangle is parallel to the third side, and the length of the line segment is equal to half of the length of the third side. So here DE is parallel to the third side AC, and also the length of DE is half of the length of AC. Okay, now I assume the length of the side AC of the triangle is 2B. So according to the mid-segment theorem, the length of the side DE is just B, so that is half of 2B. And also DE is parallel to AC. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a perpendicular from the vertex B to the line segment DE. Okay, I assume the length of this perpendicular is just h. Okay, now I'm going to draw one more perpendicular from the line segment DE to AC, that is the third side of the triangle. 1 second. Since the line segment DE is joining the midpoints of the two sides of the triangle AB and BC, the length of the perpendicular drawn over here, the length of the perpendicular drawn over here must be same. So if the length of this perpendicular h is h, then the length of this perpendicular must also be h. Okay, now we can consider the trapezoid ADEC. How can I decide this is a trapezoid? Because the two sides are parallel, DE and AC. So in a quadrilateral, if two sides are parallel, then the quadrilateral is a trapezoid. Okay, now let's find the area of this trapezoid, ADEC. We know the formula for area of a trapezoid, that is 1/2 times height of the trapezoid, which is h times sum of the lengths of the two parallel sides, here B and 2B. So B positive 2B. So when I simplify this one, I'll be getting 1/2 times h times B positive 2B will be 3B. So when I multiply everything, I'll be getting 3BH over 2. Okay, now I got the area of the trapezoid ADEC, but the area of trapezoid is given in the question itself. That's shaded region 42. So this 3BH over 2 can be equated to 42 because this is the area of the trapezoid ADEC. In the given figure, it is a shaded region. So we have 3BH over 2 is equal to 42. Okay, let's solve for B times height. For that, I need to multiply both sides by 2 over 3. So this 2 will cancel, 3 will cancel. I get BH equals to 3 goes into 3 1 times, 3 goes into 4 once, and I have 1 left over in 4. So I can take that one along with the next digit 2. So it becomes 12. So 3 goes into 12, 4 times. So 2 times 4 is 14 is 28. So the product of B and H is 28. Okay, now I'm trying to get the area of the smaller triangle DBE. Okay, let's find the area of the smaller triangle DBE. Okay, the formula to find the area of a triangle is going to be half times base times height. Here the base of the smaller triangle is B, height of the smaller triangle is H. So half times base times height. So here half times, we know the product of B and H, which is 28. So we can plug in 28 for B times H. So 1/2 times 28. So 2 goes into 2 1 times, 2 goes into 28, 14 times. So the area of triangle DB is 14 square units. Okay, now I know the area of the trapezoid or the shaded region. That's given in the question itself. That is 42 square units. Now I got the area of the triangle DBE, which is 14. So to get the area of triangle ABC, I have to add the area of the trapezoid and area of the triangle DBE. Okay, now let's find the area of the triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC equals to area of the trapezoid, which is 42, and area of this smaller triangle DBE, which is 14. So when I add 42 and 14, it will be 56 square units. So now I got the area of the triangle ABC. That's the target of the question. Area of the triangle ABC is 56 square units.